Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Hopefully today I'll be talking about how to get a loan of up to 4,500 Ghana cedis on FIDO Loan. Yeah, so if you are thinking of getting a loan from any company in Ghana, then the FIDO is the one, because FIDO has been approved by the Bank of Ghana to disburse loans to Ghanaians. And one of the best things that I love about FIDO is, they give you the opportunity to, FIDO gives you the opportunity to pay your loan within 3 months. So they give you the opportunity to pay your loans within 3 months. So before that, if you're a new user, then kindly go into the description below. I have dropped a link there. Sign up with that link and you'll be given 15 cedis on your first draw. So after you're done with the download, follow me and let me show you the process that you follow to be able to get a loan of up to 4,500 Ghana cedis. So already in here, I have already downloaded my app. Okay, so you just have to sign up and create the account. For that one, anyone can do that. So you just sign up and create your account. So you'll be having a dashboard like this, but hopefully for you, your credit score might be 30, 80. And with FIDO, the higher your FIDO score or your credit score, the higher the high amount of loan that you receive. So if you have a high credit score, then you'll be receiving a higher loan amount. So first of all, for first sign-ups, you realize your credit score, your FIDO score might be 90, 80, 75, and I will show you how to improve that. So when you go back and when you tap on the improve score, you realize in here there are some things that you can do to improve your FIDO score. The first one is add financial information. So with this, you can add your bank wallet and your Momo statement. So I would advise you to add both. If you don't have a bank wallet, then add your Momo statement. If you have both, add them, because this will help you to improve your FIDO score. So then with your personal information, you have to add your proof of address, and someone will be asking, what document should I submit, or what document should I put in there for this section? That's the proof of address. With this section, all that you have to do is just get your electricity bill for the previous, maybe electricity bill for the last 3 months. So not other than, maybe just get the one within the last 3 months and submit it as your proof of address. And if you are you have been employed, then you can submit a proof of employment from your employer. So you can submit a proof of employment from your employer, and you can verify your email address. So after you're done with this, FIDO will increase your FIDO score to join and get some loan. So you must do all this before you even trying to get your first loan. So you must do all this before you even try to get your first loan. And one way you can also increase your loan is by buying airtime via FIDO Loan, buying airtime and data, and paying bills via FIDO Loan. So you realize in here you can buy airtime and data with FIDO Loan. So now let's get back. So after you're done with all that and you have a higher FIDO score, you just have to select the draw now. So you tap on the draw now, and you'll be given the amount that you can apply. So for me for instance, I can apply for an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis and 300 Ghana cedis. So you just select the amount and you select the days that you want to pay off. So you can select 10 days, 20 days, 25 days, 33 days. So let me select 33 days. And your next section will be how many payments do you want to make. So maybe if you want to make a 1 month payment, you just select the 1 payment. If you want to make a 2 months, then 2 payments. If you want to make 3 payments, then that's 3 months. So you select the 3 payments. With the 3 payments, you'll be able to pay your loan within 3 months. You'll be able to pay your loan within 3 months. This is one of the reasons why I love FIDO. So you'll be able to pay your loan within 3 months. So you just have to tap on the next, and you tap on the reason why you need the loan. So you can either type on personal, emergency. You can just select any of them. So what if it's personal, you just tap on it, and you just wait as FIDO approve your loan. I'm not ready to collect a loan right now, so there's no need for me to agree. So you just have to agree, and your loan will be disbursed into your wallet. Yeah, so that's it. So that's how you can do to get a loan of up to 4,500 Ghana cedis on FIDO Loan. So make sure you have a higher FIDO score, and to do that, as I said, I have discussed with that previously. Just tap on the improved score and supply them with the documents that they need, and within 24 hours you realize your FIDO score will be going up. Yeah, so that's it. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and see you on the other side.